What's up guys, Craig here. Today I am going to install these NAOEVO. They're flush mount. I'm going to put them on my back bumper. Since I got rid of the roof rack, I lost the bright lights I have in the back. I haven't decided if I'm going to hook these up to the reverse lights or not, or just put them on a switch so that way when I'm out rock crawling I can just turn them on and that way I can see behind me. Let's check it out. Should be pretty straightforward. I'm gonna have to cut my bumper a little bit, but I'll throw the link for this in the description. All right. Alright guys, a little update. I had to take the bumper off just because I had a tire carrier on here and I ended up taking that off. It's right there. And the support went all the way down, so I had this big bar here. So if I were you, if I were to do it again, I might put it in the middle, but even though this was flush up against the back of the frame, so I didn't have that option. I'm gonna get a new tire carrier anyway. So I went ahead, got a Sawzall, used a plasma gun, and we just cut that sucker off. You can see right here, it's not pretty back there at all, but I like it. I like it a lot. This side looks a little bit better. That side was a lot easier. Yeah, so that's on there. I'm gonna do some night testing tonight so you can actually see what it looks like. But let me show you. I plugged in my light into my Voswitch. I highly recommend this if you don't have something. It just makes it easier. So I go right there. I went through the firewall right here. Came in. This is the remote control for it, so you could change different modes. It's going underneath, and then underneath through here. Up. I need to hide this a little bit better. And then down to the back. And then we got one light there. One light there. Looks pretty cool. So I turn it up here. Little tip. If you install your lights and they don't sync, so one is flashing, the other one's solid, or vice versa, hold down the mode button 3 times. And it'll sync up. I didn't know that and it was driving me crazy. So they are on. Ooh, they're very bright. And I'll go through the different modes tonight with the lights. But yeah, thanks for watching. Check them out. I'll put a link on Amazon.